Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. Today we are in Northeast Philadelphia. Right behind me is a place where I first flew an airplane. Actually, this field right here is the first place I took off from. This is Northeast Philadelphia. I guess Executive Airport, it should be. There's some planes practicing touch and goes over here. And I'm going to see if I can go inside and film a little bit. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to. But this is a special place for me. It's one of the first places where I actually went up in an airplane with an instructor and flew, and I really want to share that, guys, with you guys today. Well, let's go ahead and go inside and check it out. Maybe we could even see that private jet that started up over there. I'm gonna grab the family and let's go inside. Can we go in this way? So this is it. We're actually on, the guy was nice enough to let us out here in the waiting area for the private jets. And this is one of the first places I did my flights with, and I wanted to share with you guys since we're approaching 4,000 subscriber mark. I really appreciate the support of the channel, and I'm very glad to share this with you guys. I hope that one day we can come back here in a private jet and visit again. That would be really cool. We have a Cessna Citation X right behind me that just landed. I'm going to show you some footage of that, and I will be back shortly. I can't tell you how cool it is to be back at the airport where I started flying at. I hope to complete aviation school and get my pilot's license shortly, but we'll be doing that in Florida where it's a little bit warmer. Well, it's pretty cool looking around. There's not too much to look at here. However, it was a great experience to come back to this school, and I hope to visit soon in the future. So let me know what you guys thought of this aviation school in the comments below. And until next time, Dustin Mediga, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Thanks for watching. Bye now.